Hey there, everyone. Good morning, good evening, wherever you guys are, or afternoon. Andrew Tehako here with TnT Group, posting for NakedTrader.com. The date is January 7th, 2011. It's right around 5:30 in the morning. Yesterday, if you caught my webcast, I was pretty exhausted after the night trading session. A lot of back and forth, a lot of choppiness. Really frustrates me. Really makes me, I don't know, I guess exhausted. Just the back and forthness of the whole trade. Trying to fight it, trying not to get caught in anything. Tonight, though, I came in kind of expecting to sit back a little bit more with non-farms in the morning. Came in kind of slower right away from like 1:30. And then things just picked up. Huge moves back and forth in the equities. Rally to the highs, Euro stocks, dump them 30 ticks straight down. It wasn't choppy at all. It wasn't this back and forth. It was more of just a push lower. Didn't kill it or anything last night. Didn't really want to get too big last night, especially with non-farm payrolls today, and it being the Friday. But did all right. It allowed you, these moves really allowed you to kind of hold stuff, kind of get into stuff. There was more, momentum on the moves instead of the back and forth and not sure, when you're not sure of that stuff, it's hard to trade like yesterday. But last night really seemed like a better trade, which I'm really surprised about, especially with non-farm payrolls coming up this morning. A level in the euro I would really pay attention to if you trade euros or kind of key off of them or eye on them. 129.94. You were able to sell it probably 4 times last night. There's a gentleman on StockTwits and Twitter that we've been twittering back and forth, and he had that spot too, that level. He noticed it as well. Like I said, about 4 times you could have probably sold it. Good area. I get above it. Be careful. We have been up there 4 times overnight, so if we do break it, we could go higher. But again, good spot. Keep that level in mind going into the morning. Again, 129.94 in the euro. Also, news-wise last night, there's some market talk of a Spanish bank possibly needing another billion euros from their rescue fund over there. And this is after initially needing 1.25 billion. It seemed like equity markets kind of broke lower right when we got that news. Not sure if that was all off of that or not, or if this bank is a large bank, or or if that type of trouble is going to leak into these markets again. But we did seem like we broke a little bit in the equities, and that was right around the same time this news broke. So keep an eye on that. Just a story out there. Numbers-wise, nothing really. GDP came out last night for the Eurozone as well as their unemployment. Pretty much done numbers. Everything came right on as expected. Markets didn't really move much at all. That's it from here. Like I said, some pretty good moves, which I'm surprised about. Thought people would be sitting on the sidelines, not really willing to get into these markets as much, especially with, I think, a pretty big non-farm payrolls number. Like I was talking about after that ADP number, a lot of people are pretty optimistic about this number. And the word, like everyone keeps talking about, possibly a number of plus 240K. And an actual number they're expecting, they're looking for, let's see here, I believe it's 140K. Yeah, the initial estimate is 140,000. A lot of market talk of 200,000, 240,000. That's kind of the word on the street right now. So big number coming up. If we don't hit, higher expectations or get above that 140, it could be bad, especially with that ADP number and all these people talking about possibly a really good number. So I'm sitting on the sidelines. I haven't traded in the last about hour and a half. Just kind of waiting around. Don't, up money Friday going into unemployment. I don't really want to do anything. Leave it at that. That's it from here. Andrew Tehako of TnT Group, posting for NakedTrader.com. If you guys haven't known, TnT Group actually has a prop deal for any automated systems that you may have. If you're looking to if you have an idea for a system or something to automate, and you just either don't have the capital or you don't have the expertise in coding, you can come to us. Standard prop deal. We take on all the risks for you. We code it, we test it. If we decide to run it, we split in the profits. If you have any more questions about it or are kind of interested in that, take a look at either our website or shoot us an email, info@tntgroup.me. We'll shoot you out some information about it. Other than that, that's it from here. Again, Andrew Tehako with TnT Group, hosting for NakedTrader.com. Thanks.